Welcome back. Today, we're adding a sniper rifle to our advanced weapons system. We're going to get this fully functional in under 6 minutes using pieces we already have. Let's dive in. First, we need our display mesh for the spawner. We'll open up our sniper skeletal mesh asset and right at the top toolbar, click Make Static Mesh. This creates a clean, lightweight static asset for our world display, keeping our project portable without dragging unnecessary skeletal overhead into the level. Next, I'll add a new socket to the muzzle tip, name it Muzzle to match our standard naming convention, and quickly place it in front of the barrel. Now for the best part of a component-based system, data entry. We open our weapon data table and add a brand new row named Sniper Rifle. Because the sniper rifle shares the same hand placement as our assault rifle, we can reuse our existing rifle socket name on the character. Most importantly, to tell our system this weapon uses a magnified optic, we just need to tick the Has Scope checkbox right here in the Details panel. We can also adjust our zoom variable directly to dial in exactly how powerful we want the magnification to be. No fancy forcing, no asset bloat, just clean, reusable data. Add in the ammo information and the weapon name we'll use to call in the weapon spawner. And plug in our standard rifle animation montages. We'll populate the display mesh with the static mesh we just made and set the equipped model to our skeletal mesh. Find our fire and reload sounds and muzzle flash effects for the sniper rifle. To let the player select the weapon, we go to our input logic. We'll just duplicate our existing weapon selection nodes. Change our inventory index to 4. We'll change the key press to 5 and let the component handle the lookup automatically. In the animation blueprint, we add our sniper rifle to the EWS item type nodes, so the system recognizes the weapon category. We'll duplicate the rifle aim and rifle idle states, wire them up into the network, and jump over to the animation preview tab. As you can see, the blending is clean and the pose holds perfectly. Let's test it out. I'll switch this pistol spawner over to our new sniper rifle and hit play. Walking over, the overlap triggers, the pickup is seamless, and it snaps perfectly to the hand socket. Pressing the right mouse button activates our camera zoom. The reload montage plays flawlessly, and swapping back and forth between our other weapons works exactly as intended. And just like that, a brand new weapon type is fully integrated in 5 minutes flat without breaking our component architecture. If you're finding this modular workflow helpful for your own projects, hit that subscribe button. Drop any questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.